Also impulse from the looks of it. Yep, it's an impulse. This is the parking elevator here at 2 Town Center here in Boca Raton. There's Alex there.
Yeah. I'll probably get a few pics of this one. Might get a short clip of it actually.
Oh, the lantern doesn't work anymore.
Go and set it up. I was gonna get a short little like Instagram clip of it.
This one seems like it's really controlled.
Miami elevator, look at that.
Listen. Oh, this one's a chirpy. You can hear the chime, but the lantern doesn't light up. Oh, this one has the old impulse contacts. See, these are the newer ones, but listen to these. See, these ones don't click. ADA phone.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, these have some
this is padded. Yeah, this is definitely an 80s impulse for sure.
Look at that little handrail in the back too. New handrail. Back at 1.
Let's do one more spin on this so I can hear the motor.
Okay.
Can hear the relays down here. And we'll get off on 1. So what do you think of the elevators here?
Kind of cool, actually. It's not every day you see an original set of Dovers with relay control. Relay controls, I mean.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, all the other known ones I know in the state, most of them have been modded, so.
I don't think here in Florida there's a lot of relay control elevators left at all.
Yeah.
Regardless of the brand.
And there it goes.